name is Annabelle from 2C. Today we're going to make grape ice flour. The materials that we need are grape and a cold cup of water. First, you put it in the freezer. And we wait a few minutes or a few hours, okay? Until it's absolutely frozen, okay? A few hours later. The second step is you open this freezer, okay? And get the stalk. The grape, yes. Remember to hold its stalk. Now you need to dip the grapes into the water. You can see the grapes are forming. It did not become an ice flour, however, it did freeze. The theory is when the frozen grape is in the water closest to the grape will quickly cool down to form a layer of ice around the grape. And the water near the ice will further cool down for another layer of ice. This is called conduction. The ice crystals can form in water because water is a better conductor. This is the end of my science experiment. Thank you.